Good morning. Today we will cover 3D plots. Our equation is z equal x multiply e power negative x squared minus y squared. And x and y is ranging from -3 to 3. We will use the following functions: meshgrid, exponential, surface, xlabel, ylabel, zlabel. First, create a set of x and y points using meshgrid. Now we will have 61 values of x and y varying from -3 to +3 with increments of 0.1. To get the values of z, let's write the equation. Plot this function using the surface command. The surface plot uses z for both height and color. Let's make the values of z equal 0 and see what happens. This flat surface indicates that z values is 0 in all the coordinates of x and y. So meshgrid function makes a mat-like surface, so we can add our height using the upper function. Let's add x and y and z labels and view them in the graph. Now resubstitute with x and get the values of z. In this section I will show you other commands that can be used while plotting in 3D. We use the surface command. Now let's use the mesh command and see the difference. As you saw, mesh and surface command are pretty much the same, but there is a difference in the face coloring and the black edges. The meshz command adds curtains to the previously used mesh command. Let's see the mesh contour command. It's written as meshc. Now let's test the surface and contour command, written in as surface C. Then we will show you how to manipulate the contour command. If you want a two-dimensional contour, you can just write contour x, y, z. However, if you want a three-dimensional contour, you can write contour 3 x, y, z. You can add the number of contours by adding an argument after z. You can write 15, 25, or even 30, just any integer.